Hello, magicians. Hope you're doing well. And I hope you've gone through yesterday's health as well as relationship affirmations and you've started working on it. If no, please go back, work on it, finish it, and then come and see this video. Because today we are going to talk on career affirmations. How to attract that dream job, that dream and most awaited promotion, that pay hike with the perfect career affirmations. But before we begin, let me introduce myself. I'm Amrita Engineer. I'm life and manifestation coach, welcoming you all to my channel, Awaken the Magic Within You. So guys, if you like today's video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe and hit the bell icon. Because once you do that, every time I upload the video, you will be able to watch it. So yes guys, so when we are talking about career affirmations, let me first tell you that whom this video is for. This is for those who are really tired of their current job. They want to leave this job for whatever be the reason. It might be difficult boss or troublesome co-workers, or they are not happy with the salary that they are earning or the job that they are doing, whatever be the situation. It is also meant for those who are happy with their organization but they want that promotion with that pay hike, okay? And most importantly, it's also for those people who are right now, for some reason they have lost their jobs and they are desperately looking out for getting employed. So guys, let's see how to find that dream career, that dream job with the help of perfect career affirmations. So first step, be thankful for what you already have. So if you are one of those who want to leave your job or you are looking for that promotion with the pay hike and everything, at least first be thankful that you have job in your hand. You have a job that pays you well, that takes care of you and your family's requirements. Be thankful for that thing you have in your life. For those who do not have job today, they might be thinking that Amrita, I don't have anything to be thankful about. Then let me tell you one thing guys, even in our worst situations, we have something to be thankful about. Be thankful that you are healthy, you have family that loves you, you have friends who are helpful to you in these difficult situations, then you have food to eat, you have place to stay. There are so many things we can be thankful about. And now let me explain you why you need to be thankful. Then guys, when you're cribbing about your present job scenario, or you're complaining about your office politics because of which you are not getting the promotion or that pay hike, then what are you vibrating at? You are vibrating at complaint frequency, the negative frequency. And what is new job, dream promotion is, that is nothing but success. Then when you're vibrating at something so negative, how can you attract something so positive and something which is related to success? So in order to attract success, you first need to change the vibration at which you are working. You have to change that negative frequency and you have to convert it to positive frequency. And the best and the quickest way to do that is to be grateful for what you have. The moment we are obviously going to take this being grateful in different video altogether, but today for this time being, just be thankful for everything that you have. For next few days, next 30 days, whenever you feel like complaining, you feel like cribbing, you feel like cursing your fate for not having what you want, just find out 10 things you want to be thankful about. Immediately you will feel your frequency is changing. You will start vibrating at happy and positive frequency, and then you will start attracting all the good things, positive things that you are meant for. Now let's look at the second point. Now when you're already feeling thankful for what you have, start saying that you already got that job for last 3 months. Yes, so if you want to attract that dream job in your dream company, say that I'm feeling so amazing that for last 3 months I have already got that job. I'm getting the salary on time. I'm finally feeling so amazing that I'm working in this dream company. I'm doing the job that I'm worth of, that that the organization that values me so much. I feel so amazing. If you're someone who's wanting to have that promotion, that pay hike, then say that it's been 3 months, I have already been promoted, all thanks to my bosses, my co-workers who are so supportive to me. I'm finally sitting in that cabin which I was eyeing for last so many years. I'm finally having that pay hike which is more than what I ever expected. I'm having so much right now with me with added responsibilities, extra money. I can achieve so much more. I feel so amazing, so thankful to you, universe. If you are someone who is wanting to get employed as soon as possible, then simply say that it's been 3 months, I've already got the job. Each and every person in my organization is so supportive, they understand me so well. Everybody wants to teach me something new. I feel so valued in this organization. I'm getting salary perfectly on time for last 3 months, and I'm so thankful that all my family's requirements are perfectly being taken care of. I feel so blessed. So this is how you need to say it. And just guys, when you say it, just ask yourself how you're feeling. You're feeling so amazing, as if you've already got everything that you wanted. And exactly that's the frequency you need to vibrate at. You need to hold on to that feeling just to attract all things, not just career, not just job, but everything in your life. Whatever you want to attract, you just need to feel that you already have it, and then you will start getting it quickly. So now let's look at the third point. Now third point is for them who do not have job, but also for them who are rejecting all other jobs simply because they feel that they are meant only for that particular company and that particular job. For example, somebody who has lost their job when they were earning say 50,000 a month, and now they are very clear that they will reject each and every job which is paying or offering them anything below 50,000. So guys, if you are somebody who's listening to this and you are doing the same mistake again and again, then please keep your ego aside. Please keep all your reasons, excuses aside, and take up the job which you're coming across first thing. Because understand one thing, right now you're not doing anything. You're not offering any value to anyone. You are right now at the negative frequency because you're just sitting at home doing nothing, cursing yourself, right? So when you want to attract that dream job, that 50,000 per month wala job, you need to be at a success frequency. Okay, and right now you're in negative frequency. So in order to have that upgradation, you first need to find a job which gives you value, where you get an opportunity to offer value to someone, to your organization, to your customers, and only then you will be able to upgrade yourself to success frequency. Once you got that job, once you are working at that job where you are probably getting paid for say 20,000, then you start affirming for 50,000 job, and then within 1 month you will certainly get opportunity to have that job. But to get that job 50,000 and above, you need to start working at something which is at lesser value. Don't feel bad, keep your ego aside, just take up the job. Now let's look at the fourth point. So fourth point is for them who already have the job. Now you need to do one thing. You need to start loving the job you hate the most. Yes guys, I know it sounds weird, but understand one thing. We have already seen that. Now when you hate a job, you are already vibrating at hate frequency. And in order to attract something positive, something successful, you need to be vibrating at positive frequency, right? But if you are hating the job, and then you're affirming something so positive, then there are two possibilities of happening. Either it will be extremely difficult for you to find that dream job, or you might get the job, but when you will go there, you will realize that conditions are same or even worse. For example, if you want to leave this job because you are having extremely difficult boss, but when you will leave this job with that hate in your mind, with the feeling that okay, finally I've got rid of this person and now I'm going to my dream job, thinking that it is your dream job. But when you'll go there, you will realize that this boss, you have got the same kind of boss, or maybe even worse boss. You will feel that earlier job was better than what you have got now. So guys, please understand, do not make that mistake. Shift your frequency to positivity and then start attracting positive things. Then have the shift, and then whatever you will get will be definitely what you actually deserve. And now let's look at the most important fifth point. Act as if you already have it. Now what does it mean? Suppose if you are eyeing a particular company with a dream job profile there, say for example Facebook or Amazon, then you can have just a big cutout of that logo of that company in front of you. Keep eyeing that all the time. You can even prepare the makeshift ID of that company and wear it, and just feel how you feel in it. You will certainly feel as if you're working for that organization. Create that situation in your mind that you're going to that organization, you're working with the people, you are having amazing time. bring smile to your own face. If you're wanting to have that particular promotion with the job hike, start imagining that you're already sitting in that cabin. Start imagining the kind of people you will start reporting to, the people who will start reporting to you because of that promotion. Start feeling the new responsibilities that you would be getting and you would be enjoying. Start imagining such situations every single day. You take out the time. It should not, like, it just should happen just like that. Just sit at one place, create this whole scenario in your mind, and start feeling it. Start bringing that smile on your face. Similarly, if you are right now not having job, you are being at home, and then start imagining that how your life is going to change once you get the job. Because right now you're home, your routine is obviously different. You might be getting up late, you might be sleeping late. So start imagining that you have to be in your office say at 10 o'clock, you will be leaving your home at 9. So how your routine going to change? You will be waking up early, you will be leaving for work, you'll be going, you'll be working, you'll be having your lunch time, your tea time, you'll come home, you'll explain things, you will discuss things with your spouse and kids, you will have fun. When you'll get the salary, you will be so happy, you will take your family out. Imagine all these things, create this happiness. You can go and do the shopping for that job that you're already eyeing. There's nothing wrong in doing something, pampering yourself, even when you are not exactly happy. Create the happiness before you actually get that happiness. That is all visualization is all about. That is all manifestation is all about, guys. So I hope you have understood what I have explained you today in these 5 steps. I will be writing all the custom-made affirmations in the comment section. If you feel that if you have any specific question or any unique question, you can always ask me in comment section, or you can email me on lifecoachamrita@gmail.com. But guys, just one request from my end. Just don't listen to this video and say कि okay, अच्छा information है, I really enjoyed it today. Guys, please do not do that. I want you to take out 10 minutes from your daily routine and start working on whatever I'm explaining. Okay, because knowledge is not going to change your life, knowledge is not going to transform your life. The only thing that will transform you is your own efforts and your consistency, because that's what exactly I did. I came across such kind of videos. I just did not look at it. I started working on it, and then I realized that yes, things are happening. Knowing law of attraction is not going to make change, but working on law of attraction will definitely change. So guys, I hope things are clear to you. And that's it from my side. See you tomorrow. Tomorrow we are going to come up with most amazing thing. So stay tuned. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.